Okay, I was rushing and I don't have a slide available, but I have a few games available which we will be playing today. Okay, we'll be using the concepts of perception computing and we'll be playing the games here live. For this, what I need is I need some coordinators from you guys. आप लोगों के audience में से I'll be having some coordinators. First of all, let me know how many of you would be interested to come here on stage. Raise your hands, please. Okay, 1 and 2, 3. Okay, keep in mind, just raise your hands when I need some people. Raise your hand, I'll call you on stage. Okay? And I will request some faculty members as well to join us and play some games, and we'll be having discussion in this way. On the second part, what I'll be doing is, we'll be discussing some information security issues related to Windows and networks. Okay? So we'll be doing everything practically. If you have your notebooks available or some papers available, you can write the commands as well. Basically, what I feel like is we should have computers whenever I am here for the discussion. But no issues if you don't have PCs available. You can write the important commands on your papers. Okay? Let's start with the formal presentation first. I request 5 minutes from you all. I'll do a basic setup and then we'll start with the presentation. Okay? I need the back, Jolly. That gaming part, that guy was doing something like that and he was going in through the game. What we will be doing is, we'll be using a depth sense camera here and we'll be playing some games. Okay? Because I think it's time for you to get wake up. And what I'll do is I'll make you do some practical stuff which you can go home today and you can make use of it. Okay? So let's see, let's start with the session. Basically, how many of you know this guy? Tom Cruise. Okay. And what actually he's doing? Can you tell me what he's doing? What he's trying to show us is, who wants to answer? Raise your hands, please. Anybody? Yes, please. What's your good name? Manpreet. Manpreet, tell me. A user interface. Very nice. Nice answer. Manpreet, what do you do? Yes, what do you do? You are in which BCA, which year? Okay, okay. And how do you come to know about some technology? Movie में देखा या कोई game खेला या किसी से सुना? Movie भी. Okay. Can anybody give me an example of a movie जहाँ पे ऐसा कुछ आपने experience किया? Iron Man. कोई मुझे बता सकता है उसका नाम क्या था actor का? Tony? Robert? It is his real name. In the movie it was? Tony Stark. How many of you personally know Tony Stark as far as this movie's part is concerned? कितने लोग जानते हैं Tony Stark को? मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि हाँ वो मेरा दोस्त है. It's not like that. How many of you know कि yes, there is some entity Tony Stark exists in this world? कोई जानता है? Many of you. Okay. Let's see. Is there anybody who has ever thought that someday I'm going to be a person who will be doing something like this, what Tony Stark does? ऐसा किसी ने सोचा था? किसी ने सोचा है? किसी ने नहीं? You, only you, Manpreet. Okay, Manpreet is actually very excited according to this perception as far as it is concerned. आप लोगों ने सोचा नहीं कभी? देखने के बाद भी क्या कभी आप ऐसे एप्लीकेशन बना सकते हैं? Never? क्यों नहीं सोचते क्यों नहीं आप? What do you want to do actually? Who can tell me? आप लोग BCA के हैं ना सभी लोग? Which year? First year, second year, and third year. Okay. You are from first year, second year, and third year. Okay. चलिए कोई बात नहीं. अगर आज तक आप लोगों ने नहीं सोचा, how you can move into this particular direction and how you can make applications using which you can use the technology of perception and you can make some good applications over it. Okay. So let's proceed and let's see how we can do some development over this. Okay. So I'm going to show you a sample example. I'm using a depth sense camera. That depth sense camera will compute how far my hand is from the camera and he will move the slide away. Okay. So let's say this is my hand. I don't have any equipment connected. I only have a depth sense camera who is going to sense the distance between my hand and the computer and he'll make an action. Let's see how I'm going to do that. For here, I'll do it on the next slide. Okay. आप लोग देख सकते हैं. So I have my hand and I have to move it something like this. Okay. The depth sense camera has computed the distance, and he does an even handed, and he moved on to the screen. So now it's time to tell you about what we do actually. We are professionals in information security, Android applications development, game development, cloud computing, and embedded systems. Any of you, if you have any queries related to these fields, you can ask me after the session. Okay? Let's move to the next part. These are some of the authorization certificates of our company. We are ISO registered. We are registered with Indian Institute of Technology. We are registered with Cyber Excellence Cell for IIT Delhi. We are registered with Defense Research Development Organization. We do part on embedded systems for them. We do work on laser technology. We are registered with Intel for biosecurity. Then we are registered with Microsoft for Windows Azure and Windows 8 applications development training. And we are registered to Cisco for CCNA, CCNP, CCNA voice, and many more technologies. So in case if you need some more information, you can ask me later after the session. Okay? And this time for you guys, let's see if we have a hand, and let's push the slide a little away. Okay? So what I did this time is, I've just made it back. So let's move it into the next direction, because what we are going to do is, we'll be moving forward. Okay? Piche nahi jayenge. Let's see. Now the important thing is, who am I and why I'm here to speak to you all on technology. Let's see, who am I? I'm not one of these. Okay? After the session, do not confuse and do not feel like I'm something like this. I'm not a professor anywhere, not a lecturer, not a teacher, not a hacker. Okay? Who am I then? Let's see. I am this. Working as a project manager in Revdini Technologies. I do applications development and hardware development stuff. Some of my current projects are, I'm working on homomorphic encryption, wherein we are transmitting the PIN credentials of a credit card in a homomorphic encrypted packet, which does not get decrypted on the server side. And even though we have the computation, and we get a Boolean result back, if the payment is done or not. If you need any information about that transaction or that project, and if you want to get associated with this on this project, you can contact us after the session. Okay? Let's see. And some of the technologies on which I'm working on perceptual computing for Intel, cognitive computing for IBM. I'll be showing you some practical examples of what we are doing. Okay? And I'll call you as well, and you'll have an experience that how the technology works. And then at home, you can go on and you can make some applications using the technology. Okay? Let's see. And this is going to be the approach which I'm going to follow to make you learn. I'm a big cat here in the industry, and you are small cats. You're going to join us in a year or two, and then what you have to do is, you have to be on to the IT corporate sector, and you have to make good applications. Okay? कोई मुझे बता सकता है why actually we use applications? Anybody who would like to answer? Why we have applications? Why we use software applications? Anybody who would like to answer? Anyone? Okay, I should choose. Yes, you. What's your name?
Kamal.
Kamal, what do you do?
BCA.
BCA, second year. Okay. And what are you doing in BCA? Study. What do you study? Languages. Which language you are currently studying?
C++ and VB.NET.
You are learning C++. Okay, very nice. Very nice. Very good. So, have you made any application using C++ up till now? Which application do you want us all to know? Yes, tell me.
Small programs like Factorial and all.
Factorial. Okay. And anything else other than Factorial? Some application which a user can use?
I made a project in 12th of a coffee shop.
Of a coffee shop. Okay. It was something like management system for a coffee shop?
Yeah.
Okay, very nice. What language you used?
Java.
Java language. And now you are learning C++. So you will be learning multiple languages. Okay. And then what you will be doing is, you will be developing applications. And will you make your applications for us, or you are making applications for yourself only? Okay. Someday you will make the applications for us also.
Yeah.
Okay, very nice. That should be the motivation. We should make applications, because what our task exactly is to develop applications. We are doing bachelors of computer applications. We are doing masters of computer applications. And the problem is, we are not understanding what actually we are doing and what we have to do. Okay. So after this session, what you will get is, you will at least get a domain on which you can start working. Okay. Take it as a project, get support from the faculties, and do something good in life. Let's see how we have to do that. So, as far as the learning is concerned, we will be doing the following. First of all, we'll have an introduction, a practical introduction to perception computing. Second, we'll see how you can hack into Windows passwords and you can grab the passwords in plain text within a second. Okay? We need not bypass the passwords when we can steal it from the computers itself. What we are going to do in that, I'm not going to make use of any old school technique like SAM file, dehashing, hashing. What we'll be doing is, we'll communicate to local security authority and we'll capture the password from the Kerberos and DS package. What these technical things are, I'll make you understand in a minute. Okay? Then we'll proceed to hacking Windows file systems. Okay? We'll be hacking some Microsoft reserved keywords and we'll understand how rootkits nowadays, how viruses nowadays work on our machines, and we will manually find out a way how easily we can remove those malwares out of our computer. We do not need an antivirus software for it. We can do this manually. Okay? So we'll be doing this in a very short span of time. What I'll be discussing today is the basics part so that everybody here gets synced onto a common platform. Okay? And then we will be learning. Fine. Next, what I'll do is we'll be hiding some malicious data. Today at home, what you can do is you can secure your files, your important images, medias into some single file or a folder, like a protected file without using any software. So you'll be doing it at home. Okay? We'll be doing this. And next, we will be hacking over the network. We'll be hacking a Windows machine using a Android machine I have available here. I've got a mobile phone for you. Using this mobile phone, what I'll be doing is, I'll be hacking into the Windows, and again, on the next part, what we'll be doing is, we'll be hacking into the Android mobile phone using the Windows operating system. Okay? With the basic technique of network, or you can say the socket network, using IP and port. Okay? We'll be doing that. So, only thing requested to you is, you have to pay attention. Okay? And you have to be interactive. Because once you're interactive, I'll be very happy. If you all are not interacting, then I will make you interact in my own style. Okay? I'm very comfortable with it. So, it is a chance for you to interact with me. Otherwise, I am going to come and I'll interact with you. Okay? Chalo. Let's see. Let's see what we are going to do is, let's play a game. Let's see what perception technology is. Abhi humne ek chota sa sample dekha कि I was moving my hand from left and right, and the slides are moving from left to right. Okay? Now we are going to do something else. Let's see how could be a day when we have a solar system kind of a thing on our hands. Okay? With respect to this solar system, the application will not be limited to the scope of solar system. It can be escalated to, you can say, live applications development part, live kernel understanding part, and a lot more. Let's see the practical first, and then we'll understand what we can go with. Okay? Let's see. So first, what I'm starting for you is the perception technology. Let me close these things first. Actually, my slides part is over. Now, whatever we'll be doing is, we'll be doing everything in a practical oriented fashion. Okay? Perception computing. And let's go for a demo on solar system, and finally you can have some queries at the last. Okay? Let's proceed to it. I'm showing you a live application using which what we can do is, we will have an environment available. Using the perception technology, we'll make use of a solar system and we will play with it. The concept is we have to understand how the machine will be identifying our hands and gestures. Okay? Can we make this light go off? हो सकता है ऐसा? थोड़ा सा dim हो जाए. It will be very nice. Say hi to everybody. अरे यार एनर्जी कहाँ है? Hi. Do something like that यार. अरे जग जाओ. अभी आप लोग कितने साल के हो? 20, 22, 24, 25 ऐसे हो गए? 32. कोई बहुत बड़ा है? 25, 29. Let's go into a movie segment. Okay. Can we have some sound connected to this? Sound भी connect हो सकता है? Yes, please connect it. Now let's go for. How many of you have ever been to a museum? कभी गए हैं? दिल्ली में सबसे अच्छा म्यूजियम कौन सा है? Pragati Maidan. Is there any good museum for computers? ऐसा okay? कैसा अच्छा लग रहा है? Do we have something good? Yes, anybody would like to say something? कुछ कह रहा था? You want to say something? हाँ? बोलो बोलो. नहीं मैंने कुछ सुना. बोलो बोलो यार शर्माओ मत. What's your name? Please stand. Gaurav Tyagi. Gaurav, you are in this year? First year. And first year BCA. Okay. And what have you been saying? क्या कहते हो अभी आप? मजा आ रहा है. So come on. आ जाओ. अकेले मजे क्यों ले रहे हो? मिलेंगे ना मजे. आओ. See, now we have got a new god of the universe. This guy is the god. देख सकते हैं आप सभी लोग. Without respect, without any equipment on my hand, I was able to operate that solar system. Okay, I have not programmed that application in a way कि वो सिर्फ मेरे ही gestures को recognize करे. जो APIs, जो libraries available हैं to make applications kind of this, they can identify any finger, any gesture, and you can make a generic solution. Okay. So let's try it on. What's your name? Gaurav. Gaurav, let's come on. You are the next god of our universe. Please say a little back. थोड़ा छोटे हो जाओ यार. अब अच्छा लगे. ठीक है. ऐसे हाथ बढ़ाओ. Okay. देखते हैं अब आप थोड़ा सा इस कैमरा. What are you doing? हो गया? Okay. So let's say easy. आराम से. गिराता मत. हम लोग हैं यहाँ पे. Okay. Hold it on to थोड़ा सा हाथ अपने आराम से पीछे लाना. पीछे. बहुत और पीछे. मतलब धरती का थोड़ा क्या अंत में गाने वाला. Hold on. What do you see? What's on the screen? Apart from Gaurav. Who said Gaurav? Yes. Now he is going to the second victim. What's your good name? Karan Khurana. Karan, what do you do? BCA? First year. Okay. So you're friends with God? He's the Salman Khan in the guy in the movie. वो कौन सी थोड़े दिन पहले? Hello. ऐसी कुछ थी ना? The God to the Greedo. उससे पहले वो थी ना? God का कॉल आता था.
Hello.
कौन सी थी? Hello. So you are Salman Khan from today. Call him Salman Khan in college. Okay. So can you give your universe to his hand? Let's see if you can. What is that? Okay, you create a new world for us. Oh, very nice. Actually, the sound part is missing. Otherwise, you would have enjoyed it a lot. Okay, but no, coming. Okay, give me a minute, and you hold on. Stay here. Yes, stay here. Okay, stay like. Watch if nobody is talking. Okay, I'm dedicating a song to you. To Gaurav. Gaurav, very nice. A round of applause for Gaurav. Who wants to come? Madam, I request you to please. Let's we all are in control of madam. And madam, we okay. Madam, थोड़ा सा ऊपर और ऊपर. Now, what you can do is you can scale out your hands. The thing is, up till the range of the camera, you can make your hands wide, you can make your hands long, and you can operate that world according to the gestures. Okay. So this is kind of an application available wherein we don't have something. Okay, man. I'll take that. Okay. So now let's see. So Sam, the world's most strongest man, and I do some push-ups with this. Okay. Let's see. So an example to perception technology. Was it good? Perception is good. The thing is, the perception actually means you can perceive any object on the screen. You can operate any actions with that object. Okay? These kinds of things may be used in education system also. Okay? Say you have some kind of a book, say for programming. Okay? हम एक मॉड्यूल उठाते हैं और उस मॉड्यूल का एक ग्राफिकल डिस्प्ले बनाते हैं with perception technology. Okay? How cool it would be if teachers in the class take some, say अगर वो आपको kernel पढ़ा रहे हैं, kernel या compiler आपको पढ़ा रहे हैं, they are taking the parts and fitting it with the thing of this perception. Perception के through अगर उसको add करके, if they are making a learning experience for you, that would be very helpful, I guess. Okay? But the thing is, there is a resistance to it. Resistance क्यों है? क्योंकि पुराने जमाने से जो बुक्स प्रोग्रामिंग पढ़ी जाती थी, आज के जमाने में वो काफी बदल चुकी है. We have the readily available APIs to do anything. Okay? आज के डेट में ना एफर्ट लगाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. आपके पास आपने एक API डाउनलोड करनी है, API यूज करनी है और आपका एप्लीकेशन रेडी. Okay? अगर आप डेवलपर्स नहीं हैं, अगर आप कोडर्स भी नहीं हैं, you are joining the stream to become an application developer. What you can do is, अगर अभी आपके पास कोई डोमेन नहीं है, you can go for this perception technology. Okay? कौन सी लैंग्वेज में बना सकते हैं आप इस टाइप की एप्लीकेशंस? C#, Java, C++. The support is available for all three. Okay? There are many more engines available जहाँ पे आप drag and drop के थ्रू भी बना सकते हैं, but programming in C++, Java, and C# is very easy and very cool. The hardest code would be, and the smallest code would be of only 3 lines. 3 लाइन का कोड होता है. ऑब्जेक्ट बनाया, मेथड कॉल किया, वैल्यू रिटर्न की और डिस्प्ले किया. सिर्फ इतना ही तो करते हैं हम प्रोग्रामिंग. इसके अलावा कुछ करते हैं? I don't think so. Okay? So we have to optimize it and we have to basically understand how the things are done. मैंने पहले सोचा तो था मैं आपको कुछ सैम्पल एप्लीकेशंस आज बना के भी दिखाऊंगा, बट क्योंकि टाइम कंस्ट्रेंट है, इसलिए नॉट टुडे बट डेफिनेटली सम अदर डे विल हैव अ बिग सेशन. ओके, let's go for the next part. Now here what I'm going to do is we'll be playing some games. Okay, now you will be controlling the objects into the screen and you will be pulling it out. The game we have is from the Soft Kinetic company. It is an associated to Intel and they have developed a game known as Slingshot. Okay, and we are going to make use of that Slingshot and we'll be playing it here. Okay, so I will need some volunteers from you, from your side. How many of you would be interested to come? Manpreet, I'll call you definitely this time. And what's your good name? Sanjeev. Sanjeev, what do you do? BCA. You do BCA. And which year? Second year. Second year. Very nice. So, come on, Sanjeev, Ajo, Manpreet, come on. Anybody from the girls? No? You? What's your good name? ये तो लड़के जैसा नाम है. Okay. Let's start. Yes, please. So we have 3 players. Let's say, कौन इनकी टीम में जाना चाहता है? Okay. Yes, please. We have 4 teams available, and let's have a competition. How many of you? What's your name? मुक्ता भटनागर. मुक्ता भटनागर को कितने लोग सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं? Vote for Mukta Bhatnagar. How many? Very nice. And what's your name? Priya. How many of you would like to vote for Priya? How many of you believe Priya will win the game? Okay. How many for Manpreet? Oh, तुम्हारी फैन फॉलोइंग है। सबसे ज्यादा फैन फॉलोइंग यहाँ पे किसकी है? Sanjeev, raise hands for Mr. Sanjeev as well. How many of you would like to support? Okay, many. How many of you do not want to support anybody? Why is that so? Okay. We'll call you as well. Okay. Let's see. Let's play the game. So what we have is, please come on. We have 4 players here, and they are going to play a shooting game. We have a flag on top, and we'll be hitting the flag with a ball. Okay? So let's do that. Ballista is the game. The name of the game is Ballista, and you can get it on internet for free as well from the website Soft Kinetic. Yes. Leave the fingers. Go to the pass method. Keep your fingers. Reset करना है मनप्रीत के लिए? Okay. Come on, Manpreet, you have to hit the flag. Oh, very nice. Still better. Very nice. It is very sensitive, so move your hand to the center. Keep your hand a little up. A little up. Do not make the punch. But that's it. Use it with the finger. Okay? Yes, okay. Okay. And the fourth one. Okay, come on. Now, come on, go ahead. Press R to reset. Press R to reset. Now, come on. Hit at the center. Focus first. Adapt the technology. Feel it like you are in that section and see the camera first where your hand is. Okay, come on. Easy. Yes. Very nice. पाकिस्तान में चला Okay, I would like to tell you one thing. Say अगर अभी आप लोग किसी aircraft में होते, and if you have to learn aircraft simulation and you do want to do everything with your hand, you can make an application for that and you can use it. Okay, so this is the beauty of perception computing. You don't need to have practical equipment to measure. पीछे इधर ओके, ये come on. Go on, go on. Oh, yeah. इसे क्या कहते हैं? मुझे हंसने से पता चल गया. Okay. Very nice. So here comes half. You have got 2. 0. Then he got 1. Okay. And 1 who left? Okay. Now I think you are learned now. You know how to play. Let's see how well you can play. Anybody here, the last guy who is very interested to come and play, raise your hands if anybody wants to come. या पहले नहीं तो ऐसा नहीं हो. वैसे मैंने कोशिश की थी आप लोगों को ठीक से दिखाई दे, तो मैंने साइज पहले ही सेट कर दिए थे. ठीक है, सीट राइट दिख रही है सबको? लास्ट मैडम, इज इट फाइन? Let's see. So what we have to do is, I have the program Mimikatz and I have kept it in my Windows System 32 directory. So let's go to Windows System 32. I may go a bit fast, so आपको वैसे चिंता करने की जरूरत नहीं है. If you want, I'll record the session and it will be available to you on my website as well. Okay? You can download the session from there. If you want it, let's say, let me start the session. मैं recording कर लेता हूँ. I'll give the recording to sir as well. आप सर से ले लीजिएगा और नहीं तो थोड़ा सा मेरी वेबसाइट का ट्रैफिक बढ़ा दीजिएगा, वहाँ पे डाल दीजिएगा. Okay? So कितना स्ट्रेंथ है अभी? 50, 60, 70, 200. Oh my God. 200, 200 hits. I request you all to hit to the website. Okay? Let's see. Let's go to the grab password. Here I have the program with the name grab password. It is available for both the versions. If you have a 32-bit system or a 64-bit system, the application is available for both. My machine is 64-bit, so let's go to the 64 version, CLS, and now the application name is grabpassword.exe. Okay, and what I have to do is I will be injecting a hacker.dll into the local security authority subsystem process. It is a system process which runs as soon as the machine boots up. Okay, so we will put this hacker.dll into that LSASS file and we'll steal the passwords from there. Let's see how we do that. It's a 3-step process. क्या-क्या steps हैं? You can note it down. I'll give you time to note the commands. Let's do this. So let's start grabpassword.exe and here is the information. The application is available on blog.gentiltv.com. Is basically the name is Franz. उनका नाम जो है वो Franz है. Okay, and he has made it. उनका वैसे नाम हमारे hacking community में we call him GentilKiwi, who has developed this program. Let's see. So what you have to do is, first of all, we have to get the administrative privileges. So let's call it privilege debug. मैंने क्या किया? Administrator के privileges लिए. Only then we can extract the information from the local security authority. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to inject the process into lsass.exe and I'll put in my hacker.dll file. Okay, can you all see that what I'm doing? I'm injecting a hacker.dll into local security authority subsystem.exe. Okay, have you ever encountered, कितने लोग जानते हैं exe के साथ में dll files होती हैं? How many of you all know? exe has dll files associated to it. What's your good name? What's your good name? हाँ? और आपका? Sorry, क्या कह रहे हो? Raghav. Okay, let's see. Okay, no problem. Let's see. So Raghav knows, and if you have any queries, you can contact Raghav as well. Okay. चलो आगे देखते हैं क्या करना है आपको. We have to inject this hacker.dll into a file. I have put in that. और कैसे proof होगा कि ये hacker.dll जो हम यहाँ से डाल रहे हैं वो local security में पहुँच गई? For that, we have a command known as task list. The name of the command is task list. task list to check DLL files in an exe. Okay, you can use it. So कैसे करूँगा मैं आपको अभी दिखाता हूँ. Let's do that. Let's open a new command prompt. I'm just checking whether the file is injected or not. Task list /m. /m is the handle to display DLL files behind the executables. Okay. So let's put a more so that, because there are many applications, we'll stick to the local security authority. I'm going a bit down, and here you can see these are the DLL files which are available inside lsass.exe. Okay. Every DLL file has specific functions in it. The functions are used. The system call is being directed from an application to this DLL, and then this DLL interacts to the system, which you call it as a kernel, and the kernel does the task and returns the response. Okay. And here at the bottom you can see you have got the hacker.dll file injected into your application. Okay. Clear? चलिए देखते हैं what is going to be the password now. Is anybody aware about the password of my machine? कोई जानता है? नहीं जानता है? देखते हैं क्या. It is at get logon passwords. Okay. This is the handle using which you will get the password from the machine. Okay. The problem is if there is a server in your college or in a company, an unauthenticated person can move it in and he can steal the password, and then with the help of network connectivity, he may use that username and password and he can compromise your full organization. Okay. So this concept is really very important. So you have to understand it. Let's put an enter and let's find it out what we got. I've got something like this. I'm just switching it up, and here you can see I have got 4 information available here. 4 information है मेरे पास. क्या क्या है information? एक प्रोटोकॉल है MSP1_0. Using this DLL file, what we do is हम लोग NTLM hashes के हिसाब से अपने passwords को SAM files में store रखते हैं. बट उसके अलावा अगर आपको डीहैशिंग नहीं करनी, उसके अलावा 3 और प्रोटोकॉल्स हैं, wdigest, tspackage and Kerberos, which stores your login passwords as plain text in the computer's memory. Okay? तो हमने हैशिंग को डीहैश नहीं किया, but Kerberos, tspackage और wdigest, there are 3 more protocols who keep the password in plain text, so we have got that. So using this technique, you can go out and you can hack into any machine. Okay? Let's see. Let's do that. Okay, एक छोटा सा डेमो था आपके लिए विंडोज हैकिंग का कि how you can steal the password. Bypassing the password is also very easy. You convert your application to a system recovery mode. वहाँ पे एक एरर फाइल आती है, एरर फाइल को ओपन कीजिए, नोटपैड ओपन होगा, फाइल में जाइए, CMD को रिप्लेस कर दीजिए, रीस्टार्ट जब आप करेंगे, मैग्नीफायर, नरेटर, जिससे भी आप रिप्लेस करेंगे, जैसे ही आप उस exe को कॉल करेंगे, command prompt will be available and you can move it into the system. There is this concept is available. How many of you all don't know this concept? पहले आप मुझे ये बता दो. How many of you all don't know how to hack into a Windows machine? कितने लोग नहीं जानते? Properly बताइए. Then I'll understand. Okay? There are many. So what you can do is, if you want to learn that, I will give you a link. You can go here and you can get that. And what I am going to do is, I'll do one more thing. I'll create a folder on my website with the name GEMS. Okay? And all these videos which we have planned for today will be available here. You can got it. Okay? You can get the files from here and they will be available tomorrow. Okay? So you can go. I'll inform sir, he'll inform you all, and then you can download the stuff from there. Let's see. Let's proceed to the next part. How many of you have ever operated a mobile phone with a Windows machine or a Windows machine from a mobile phone? How many of you have ever operated? And how have you operated? Please, yes. How have you operated that? VMware के through. VMware के through या VNCware के through? VMware के through अंदर एक virtual machine चला के. Okay. What we are going to do that now is we are going to do that much practically, and we'll be hacking the real phone. Okay, and then we will be making some fake calls or some fake calling stuff from our mobile phone to a user available here. ठीक है? चलिए देखते हैं. To do that, what I have is I have a phone on one hand. Okay, this is my phone, and I have a Windows machine available here. Okay, please pay attention because this is the last demo because we are really running short of time. So we will be closing it as soon as possible. I have two machines here. Okay, this is the command prompt on a Windows machine, and let me show you a command prompt on the mobile phone. Here we have an Android application known as Terminal, which I am using. You can see it is known as a terminal emulator, using which you can operate the command prompt of a mobile phone. Okay, this is IT and this is security. I will be using a magnifier as well, so that you can see what is going on here. Okay, let's say we will have a magnifier here, and here you can see on the right hand side what you have is the shell. Okay. How many of you all understand client server architecture? कितने लोग जानते हैं? रेजर है. क्लाइंट और सर्वर समझते हो? 1 only 2. कौन से ईयर में आप लोग? फर्स्ट ईयर. ओके, ठीक है. नाउ इस टाइम आप जाके अपने फैकल्टीज को परेशान कीजिए कि सर हमें नेटवर्किंग पढ़ाओ पहले थोड़ी सी. ठीक है, तब ये बाकी और जितने भी कॉन्सेप्ट हैं वो आपको अच्छे से समझ में आएंगे. चलिए देखते हैं फिर भी हमें क्या करना है. What I'm going to do that is, let me guide you a very. The first thing what I'm doing is I'm making my Windows machine as a server. Okay, मोबाइल फोन विल कनेक्ट टू विंडोज मशीन और विंडोज का जो कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट है वो मोबाइल के पास चला जाए. ठीक है, क्या उल्टा करते हैं? कॉल करनी है ना, उल्टा करें. क्या करेंगे? जो विंडोज का कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट है इसे हम सर्वर बनाएंगे. ठीक है, क्लाइंट मशीन यानी एंड्रॉइड फोन विंडोज को कनेक्ट करेगा और वो अपनी कमांड शेल को विंडोज को ट्रांसफर करेगा. फिर विंडोज से हम उस मोबाइल फोन को चलाएंगे और उससे कॉलिंग करेंगे और फेसबुक, व्हाट्सएप और उनका डेटाबेस स्टील करेंगे. ठीक है, मोबाइल फोन का पासवर्ड बाईपास करेंगे. एक छोटा सा आपको एग्जांपल दिखाऊंगा, बाकी आप लोग बाद में मुझसे आफ्टर द सेशन. ठीक है, चलिए लेट्स सी. So let's make it a server. The application which I am using is Netcat. Netcat is known as the hacker's Swiss Army knife. It is written in C, open source, available on Google for free. Okay, code.google.com पे available है. You can download Netcat. Okay, the name is Netcat. It is one of the most lightweight application available for network testing. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm making him as a server. L stands for listen, verbose, and port. Okay, L stands for listen, V stands for verbose, and P stands for port. Which means I will be opening a port on my server machine, and mobile phone will connect to that port, and mobile phone will transfer that shell to the port on Windows machine. Okay, you all are listening, right? Okay, let's see. So let's do this. मैंने क्या किया? LVP और मैंने एक पोर्ट ओपन कर लिया 6789. So on my Windows machine, there is a connection listening on port number 6789. Mobile phone will connect to the IP address of my Windows machine and he will transfer his shell to port number 6789. From here, I'll be operating the mobile. Okay, so let's start. Let's do it listening. He is asking कि अच्छा firewall के हिसाब से आप allow करना चाहते हो? Yes, yes. Allow guys. Okay, अभी मैंने इसको allow कर रखा है. Okay, let's go to the command which has to be executed on the mobile phone. ठीक है, इसको हम कमांड लाइन से नहीं करते हैं, एप्लीकेशन बना के करते हैं. ठीक है, बट मैं अभी आपको प्रैक्टिकली बता रहा हूँ कि होता क्या है बैकएंड पे. So you have to understand that. Okay, we have to do something like this. Netcat. By default on Linux machine we have Netcat available. Okay, Netcat is by default available on all Linux machines. So let's do it. Let me check. The IP address of my Windows machine is 43.43. 43.43. You can check IP addresses of your machine using the command ipconfig. Okay, उससे आप check कर सकते हैं. The port number which I am going to connect is 6789. Okay, 43.43 is the port number of Windows machine. Then 6789 is the port number, and then finally we have to execute a command. What we have to do is we have to use a slash bin system, then you have to do bin, and then finally you have to do shell. Okay. So what we are doing is we are reverse connecting to the IP address, Windows IP address, to the port number on Windows machine who's listening, and I will be executing, -e stands for execute shell on that port number. Okay, so automatically the shell will be transferred to the Windows machine. Let's do that. यहाँ से मैं इसको एंटर करता हूँ. मैंने कनेक्शन एंटर किया, मैग्नीफायर को थोड़ा छोटा किया ताकि हमें यहाँ पे एक कनेक्शन दिखाई दे that we have got a connection. Okay, एक कनेक्शन आया है मेरे पास लेफ्ट साइड में. आप देख सकते हैं कनेक्शन कहाँ से मिला है. The connection is from 43.1. Okay, let's do some good stuff. मैंने आपसे कहा कि मैंने अपने फोन को लॉक कर दिया. Okay, let's say it is locked at the moment, and if we try in some fake password, we cannot move it into the system. Okay, there is only one option available for emergency calling. Okay, but due to I have the shell of the mobile phone on my laptop, what I'll do is I can bypass all the security mechanism and let's do a fake call. Who is interested to get a call from my number? Call. Who will take the call? Will take the call. Okay, I'll give the call to you. You have to let me your number. What I have to do is service call phone to S16 and then I have to provide a number. I just explain what I have written here. अभी बताऊंगा. Number बताइए मुझे. एक number. 999 067 6126. रिंगटोन है तुम्हारे फोन में? अच्छी है. साइलेंट पे नहीं हटाओ. पता कैसे चलेगा? अच्छा सा गाना लगाओ. Okay, let's see. By the time I tell you what we have is, I'm using Android services. The name of the service is phone. Okay, I'm starting that phone service using the keyword call. So what I'm doing is start service phone and pass him a string of 16 bits. 16 bits का एक string उसको दो. ये जो 16 बिट की स्ट्रिंग्स है ये क्या है? नंबर जो हम प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं. तो नंबर का जो टोटल है वो 16 बिट्स का होता है, बट हम क्योंकि 10 नंबर्स हैं तो उसको यूज करते हैं. Okay, so let's do this now. Service call phone to S16 and the number. कैसे नंबर बताइएगा मुझे? 999 067 6126. Okay. 26. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, let's see. So now what I'm doing is I'm calling the application, calling him at this moment. Okay. So basically the phone was locked. And we are only allowed to do emergency calls at this place. But what I did, even though it is locked, but we have made a call to that machine. Okay. Let's see what I'm going to do is let's bypass this password. ठीक है? मैंने अभी से access किया the pattern locks. How many of you use pattern locks? कितने लोग use करते हैं? Many of you use the pattern lock. It is very easy to remove this pattern lock. What we have is there is a directory known as data. Okay. Inside data we have a directory known as system. You can note कौन सी directory? Data के अंदर system, and inside the system we have a file known as gesture.key. Okay, आप note कर सकते हैं इस file का नाम gesture.key. If you remove this file, the pattern go off. Off हो जाएगा, यानी आपका मोबाइल फोन का पासवर्ड बाईपास हो जाएगा. I need a volunteer. Those who want to test, अजय आप आ जाओ. You have been putting in a lot of efforts. Try if the password has been broken at this moment or not. हाँ, try करो. वो मेरा वाला मत डालो. ठीक है? So it is logged. Okay. So let's bypass it now. To bypass, what I only have to write is remove gesture.key. GESTURE. अब आप बैठ जाओ. ठीक. तो लास्ट है. तो मैडम से एंड करा लेते हैं अपने सेशन का। मैडम एक बार आप आ जाइए, ठीक है? So what she will do, she will hack into my mobile phone. She will just remove this. Okay. Can you see the command right now? Madam will remove the gesture.c and I need one volunteer. Sir, आप आ जाइए, please. आप आ जाइए. Yes, ma'am. You have to press enter. And what she did, she has broken the password. And sir, now I request you to take the phone and let's see if it is bypassed. You have to pass in a big password, and now he is into the system. Okay. Okay. So what we have is we have a shell connected, irrespective of the phone is on its own state. ठीक है? ऐसा नहीं है, आप धोखा भी दे सकते हैं, एक स्टाइल है, जरूरी नहीं है कोई सा भी आप पासवर्ड यूज करें। पैटर्न विल रिमेन हियर, ओके? जैसे ये पैटर्न है, अब मैं कुछ और यूज कर रहा हूँ, मैंने यहाँ से यूज किया, ओके? एंड इट इज so there is an image for the pattern only, but now you can access into with any of the password. So the thing is, अब यूजर क्या करेगा, वो अपने करेक्ट पासवर्ड से एंटर करता रहेगा, and he won't believe that his password has been broken, and it can be done with that ease. तो इसके लिए आप क्या कर सकते हैं, you have to write an application into Java. You can use the runtime.get/runtime.execute functionality यूज करके आप इस कमांड को फोन पे चलाइए and he goes off. The password will go off. The shell will be compromised. Okay, so now that is all for the session today, and I'm closing the session. I would like to thank you all for being so patient. You have been sitting from full day. I guess आप 9 बजे से बैठे हैं और आपने मुझे बहुत support किया for this particular part, and I'm very happy. I'd like to thank each and everybody sitting here with that patience. Only one thing I would like to say: start developing applications. If you face any problem, and if you find out there is no way out, you can contact me here on this number. So here are the details. If you can take it. I'm just letting you know the contacts. My name is Devanshu Shukla. I work as a project manager in VMDD Technologies, and this is my email address. If you have any queries related to it, you can drop me the mail here, and if I'm available 24/7 on this Facebook handle devanshu.shukla2, so you can contact me here as well. And in case if you have any emergency and you want to contact me related to some technical queries, this is my number, and this is my desk number 27297608. The time to call, you can call me anytime. If I'm available, I'll pick your call. Okay? Fine. So these are some of the information. You can have any kind of a technical query with me related to any programming language. We are working on 24 domains of computing. All queries are good. Okay? Thank you, and have a very nice day.
Thank you, sir, for that really interesting session.
We will now proceed with the question answer session. The audience is welcome to put forward their questions, if any, to the panel of our esteemed speakers.
Here, reset your device. You reset it, all your adwares on the Chrome and Firefox will go away. Okay? You do not need to use any YouTube ad blocker or something. All those malicious programs will go. I've been using internet from a lot of time, but luckily, if you see on my machine, I don't encounter any virus. The one more important thing is I don't use any antiviruses as well, because I know how to identify and debug them. So the thing is, you can also do all those things with that ease. Okay? But the only thing you need to know is the correct information, how you have to proceed. What should be the approach? Always try to learn. Whenever you are learning some new thing, check if the approach is correct. If the approach is correct, you will definitely land up to the correct situation or the correct position. Okay? Correct destination पे आप पहुँचो. अगर approach गलत है, efforts बहुत ज़्यादा हैं, कुछ नहीं होगा. तो इसलिए try to see if you are learning, if you are really learning, see what is the approach. You definitely land up to a good conclusion. Any more queries related to this? You can ask me. Madam, is your query resolved? Okay. So there is a program here. You can go here. Google.com/developer/Android. If you go here, he will ask you to enter your Gmail ID and password, and he'll directly locate you to your phone. Internet is available here. I'll show you. ये साइट है, यहाँ पे जाइए. You can run your machine, which means आप उसको ring कर सकते हैं और आप उसका location identify कर सकते हैं.
That is the Samsung site, and I can also locate it from Samsung site, but that is not available as phone is switch off.
Because the phone is switch off.
That is not connected.
देखो कितना टाइम हो गया आपका फोन?
30 days.
30 days.
13 days.
13 days.
Yeah.
See, whenever you encounter any situation like this, the very best thing is सबसे पहले तो इन्फॉर्मेशन जो मोबाइल फोन का होता है ना, वो ऑपरेटर के पास में होता है, जो आपका सिम ऑपरेटर है. Only he is the one who can trace. जो पुलिस है, पुलिस भी उसके थ्रू ही ट्रेस करती है with the help of the operator. Okay. So the first thing is you go to the fire station, police station, take fire means that shoot out. Okay. Go to the police station. Do a कच्ची FIR कहते हैं. कच्ची FIR कहते हैं. NCR. Okay. Your father is in police. You have the information. So you go to that. The first report you will get. Go to that operator. Vodafone है जैसे या Airtel है. उसके ऑफिस में जाइए. वो आपको तुरंत निकालेगा.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, IMEI is also used. Yes, definitely. And basically, what they actually do is they check कि जो last tower connected था इस device का, वो कहाँ पे off हुआ है. So एक कहते हैं एक possibility है कि शायद मिल जाए, लेकिन वैसे तरीका सही नहीं. तरीका फिर क्या होता है जब फोन वापस से लाइव होता है, तो again as soon as the phone gets started, Google settings जो है आजकल Android फोन के अंदर ना ऑटोमेटिकली एक एप्लीकेशन रन होती है Google settings. It keeps track of your user information, and they have specially incorporated that Google settings to track you, to track the device in case if it is lost. Okay. So this site is the good site. यहाँ पे आपको मिल जाएगा developer/Android. Developer था या कुछ ऐसे ही इससे related नाम है. You have to put into that. I'll just check. Google.com/Android/ I'll just okay. The thing is I'll get you the name. गूगल के ही साइट पे है वैसे. आप एक बार गूगल में सर्च करना locate Android device using Google. Okay, so you'll get that application. Google is providing it, and all the phones with the Gmail ID using which you are logged in, उसके through you'll get that option. ठीक है, तो आपको hopefully last location अभी मिल सकती है कि क्या उसकी last location थी, but 13 दिन हो गए तो it is very difficult to get that device until and unless it is logged in again. क्योंकि जैसे कोई उसमें नया ऑपरेटर डालेगा IMEI ऑपरेटर पे रजिस्टर होगा जैसे, तो उसका नेक्स्ट लोकेशन मिल जाएगा. यू कैन रीच टू द
Deactivation log is also on.
Okay.
So it cannot be rooted. Neither it can install a custom ROM.
Okay.
So whoever does the theft is based on it.
It is not based because what he'll do is he'll reset your phone and use it.
He can reset. Deactivation log is not on.
Which lock is on?
Deactivation log.
Deactivation log. And you have set that deactivation log on the bootloader.
Yeah.
How you have optimized that bootloader?
So Samsung service I provide.
Samsung site will never provide you to
provide it in cell phone.
in the cell phone.
Yeah, Samsung sites.
That won't be possible. The only thing is the phone gets reset to the factory setting. Bootloaders में आप customization कर सकते हैं with the fast boot and some other options are available.
The reset is available.
So what he'll do is he'll just put your phone on factory reset, take all your images out because images ready. Contacts सुन जाते हैं और SMS सुन जाते हैं. Factory reset कर देगा कोई भी phone.
But after that, it need my account to be login, so further use.
If you have to access the phone, you have to log into the Gmail in order to see the last location of it. That is that.
Any more questions?
No.
With this, we come to the end of the technical session. May I now invite Mrs. Meenakshi Narula to kindly present a memento to our esteemed guest, Mr. Umesh Kumar Yadav.
Abhishek. 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 Abhishek.
May I now request Dr. Rajesh Tyagi to kindly present a token of appreciation to Mr. Mandhir Dua. May I request Mr. Devanshu Shukla to kindly join us on the dais.
Coming in a minute. I think I should pack it first.
Narula to kindly present a memento to Mr. Devanshu Shukla. We now invite our head of department, Mrs. Meenakshi Narula, to propose the vote of thanks.
Good afternoon. On behalf of entire GIMS fraternity, I extend a hearty thanks to all the speakers for their valuable lecture and sharing their experiences and knowledge with us. We are humbled by their kind gesture in accepting our request and to deliver the lectures on the various emerging technologies and concepts in the field of information technology, despite of their numerous and tight scheduled assignments. I believe we have all been profited from their wealth of learning and experiences. The lectures have been quite educative, illuminating and interesting. An event like this cannot happen overnight. The wheel starts rolling weeks ago. It requires planning and a bird's eye for working out every detail. We have been fortunate enough to be backed up by a team of very motivated and dedicated colleagues of our institute who know their job well and are result oriented. A special mention of Dr. Tyagi and his efforts. He has worked tirelessly to take care of minute details and kept motivating all the faculties and staff. The